So Bay Ridge, that's near Staten Island, right?
Brooklyn, across the Verrazano Bridge.
Saturday Night Fever territory.
That's right. Guinea Gulch. We call the Verrazano Bridge the Guinea Gangplank.
Right. So I presume you're Italian?
On my dad's side, I'm also Dutch, German, English. I'm a mutt.
And you're a mutt.
Yeah, I still have family over there, though, in London. My Aunt Emma, she's the best. Very British, you know. She's a classy lady.
That explains it then.
Explains what?
Explains you. I mean, you're a duchess, right? You're the Duchess of Bay Ridge.
Excuse me. Can I get a straw, please? Thank you. So I was, a little surprised you asked Christy for my number.
What's that?
Aren't you married?
Well, yeah, but what? Married people can't have friends?
We're gonna be friends?
Yeah. You want to be my friend?
We're not gonna be friends.
You knocked me dead, then on my feet. How?
And at night, I work on my designs. I have an entire line of lingerie. You know, camisoles, bustiers, panties.
She designs women's panties, too? Oh, my God. Come on, Jordan. Think of a way to get up to her apartment.
You wanna come up for some tea or something?
Tea? Yeah. Like hot tea?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that sounds nice. Yeah.
Tea? Fuck yeah, I wanted to come up for tea.
Like Darjeeling or rose hips, something nice like that.
Sure.